What's up guys, welcome to today's video. Today we have a couple things going on. First thing is we're gonna hop in the Bronco and head down to the airport and grab some airplane fuel for the pit bikes, because I like to run them on airplane fuel. It's pretty easy to get it for me out here. I live right next to the airport. So I just literally drive down the runway and fill up a little race can with airplane fuel. So out here, I'm sure airplane fuel is mostly the same everywhere, but I don't know because I don't know much about planes. But out here at least it's 100 octane and it's ethanol free or whatever. So it's like mild race gas, and it's good because you can let the pit bikes sit and it won't gum up any of the fuel lines or gum up the injectors or anything from sitting. So I want to make sure I start running this more and more. I ran it before and it smells so good, and it adds a little bit of power, not too noticeable though. Literally just pulling this little back way, and it leads down to the airstrip and then down to the fueling station where there's like a bunch of planes and stuff. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool exploring it. But some of the homes, like this guy, kind of hard to see. He's got like a pretty dope house and just a giant plane sitting out front. So this whole neighborhood, there's a whole entire neighborhood that goes all the way down. All of them has houses. That's a huge garage, so you can pull your plane inside your garage. It's nuts, dude. So this is it. You pretty much put your cart in here, and then it pumps out of here. It's kind of cool. There you go. Thank you, appreciate it. Look, I even get to see one take off. Look at that. That guy just walked out of his house, got in his plane, and took off, bro. That is crazy. So the airplane fuel is like blue, which is pretty cool, and it smells so good, especially when it gets burnt in the pit bike. So thinking about putting a little bit in the Bronco, but probably wouldn't do much. So here's another example. Look how big that garage is. Got another giant garage. These guys have a crazy house and a nice garage. Look at that thing, that's huge. These guys on the corner, one time I saw it open and his plane and everything is so nice. He has so many nice cars. That's a big money operation right there. Alright, so gonna throw some of this on the bike, and then hopefully, I think Walker is gonna come ride, and maybe Keegan, and maybe Jackson. So probably film that spot because it's pretty cool. So I'll pick the camera back up when we start riding. Alright, so we made it out here. There's Walker. Walker's gonna hit the jump. I got my 110. It's a cool little spot we found. It's like a construction zone, so we're gonna get some clips here. There's a really cool silt section. And then we're saying that I think we can jump my Bronco up this, so we might bring the Bronco out.
Bro, they love it.
Holy moly. Oh, you good?
I'm taking over Max's vlog right now. Let's see what he's got for us though. Dude! Ooh, clean corner. Oh, that's sick. It's definitely softer than it was last night though.
Yeah,
it was more like wet, yeah.
All right, so we're trying to reshape the berm a little bit because it got kind of straight, so there's not much of a turn. So we're trying to redo it. I think we're gonna try to get a lot more of an angle out of it, so. Here comes Walker.
These ruts are looking gnarly now, look at those. Ooh.
So that, I failed that pretty successfully.
That was pretty good.
All right, Walker's gonna hit it, see how low he can get. Should be pretty cool. Oh, well, you definitely got pretty low.
That's pretty low.
Yeah, that is pretty low. Found a really sick spot. It's really steep and it just pops you up. So Walker's gonna try to whip it. I just hit a couple and tried to whip it. Oh! I didn't get it. Heck yeah. Views on views. Pretty sick today, huh, Walker?
Oh yeah, finding new spots. It's pretty sick.
Pretty dope spot hunting. Found a good spot for the 250, right?
Oh yeah, we're gonna jump Max's Bronco. So leave a like if you want to see that.
Heck yeah.
The kind of bad thing about it is a lot of these spots aren't gonna be here for long though, because they're all like construction sites, and once the houses are built, then like no more riding there.
Yep. Like this is a construction spot that we're on right now. So this won't be here. All these houses used to be trails. We used to have trails that ran up where that brick wall is. Crazy. That's probably gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. Anything else, Walker?
Like and subscribe.
Peace out.